Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about ethical analysis. Last session we had discussed about ethics, business ethics. So now we are going to discuss about ethical analysis. The purpose of ethical analysis might be shortly taken to be determine what is right and wrong and why that is the case. So every organization as an employee or employee, if you're going to take a decision, ethics is very important, but it can also have more personal effects. Ethical analysis can look backward, helping to explain and respond to feelings of sadness or pride concerning past actions. Next, we are going to discuss ethical dilemma. So everyone know about that dilemma. Dilemma, it's not a proper direction. So it will be changes from one place to another, right? So ethical dilemma, the same like that as a human mind also, there is some dilemma. Something it will be positive, something it will be negative. So an ethical dilemma is a situation in which a person is faced with conflicting moral principles, making it difficult to choose the right course of action. These situations often involve a choice between two or more options, each of which has both positive and negative consequences. And the decision maker must weigh these consequences in order to determine the most ethical course of action. So, as a human being, depends upon the situation, you are going to take a decision. So always you have to take a positive decision. It means right decision. For example, ethical dilemma. Imagine you work for a pharmaceutical company and your team has developed a new drug that has the potential to save many lives. However, during the testing phase, it's discovered that there are some serious but not immediately life-threatening side effects associated with the drug. In fact, every human being taking a drug for a headache or stomachache or fever, whatever it is, definitely we're having a side effects. So the company is pressuring you and your team to downplay the side effects and proceed with the launch to maximize profits and save the company from financial troubles. So it's important to recognize that ethical dilemmas can be complex and challenging, and individuals may arrive at different conclusions based on their perspectives and values. Next, we are going to discuss very important topic, ethical scandals. Ethical scandals are instances where individuals, organization, or institution engage in behavior that violates accepted moral and ethical standards. We already heard many ethical scandals in our life. It means deceptive, dishonest, or harmful to others. False accounting, sexual harassment, data privacy, nepotism, discrimination. There are just some of the ethical dilemmas that happen in today's workplace. Nepotism, I think it's a new word for everyone. Nepotism is nothing but, for example, in your relative or in your close friend who are working in the same organization means you can do some favor. Suppose whether it will be negative itself, you can do some favor. So that's ethical scandal. Many business owners and managers will deal with ethical issues at some point in their career. Example, Enron scandal in 2001. Enron, once considered one of the most innovative companies in the United States, collapsed due to widespread accounting fraud. Because of accounting fraud only, the company collapsed. Executives manipulated financial statements, hid debt, and engaged in other deceptive practices, leading to significant financial losses for investors and employees. So all these companies score poorly across our rating system for failing to address these issues to human rights. It's related to human rights, animal rights, and environmental concern. We are going to see some of the examples like Amazon, the ethical score is 20 out of 0. And most of the online retailers, course is ASDA, the ethical score is 20 out of 2. Nestle ethical score is 20 out of 0. Tesco ethical score of 20 out of 0. Coca-Cola ethical score 20 out of 1. So, because these are the things, something it will be harmful to the human beings. Thank you all.